we have a 2006 G35 Sedan. It's lowered on Godspeed springs, not coilovers, surprisingly. It's actually pretty clean, no rust or anything on it. Of course, you got your typical G35 foggy headlights, but that's easy to fix. The car looks pretty good. It's got some Nismo wheels on the front, and it has the OEM Enkis, I believe, on the back. Like I said, it's lowered, not much else really done to it. It is the DE version of the motor with a single intake. It's not an X, it's not an S, it's just a regular G35 sedan. Has a 6-speed manual in it, so I guess it is a little bit more exciting than your average G35. Has a cold air intake, so I guess it sounds a little bit louder. It comes from factory with an LSD, although it is a VLSD. It's got some nice features. This is the up-rev model, so it has a rev light that you can set to blink at whatever revs you want. This one does have test pipes, so the car is a little bit louder than stock. However, it does have the stock mufflers and stock exhausts after that, those test pipes. The windows are obviously legally tinted. It's pretty clean, not too loud, not too crazy. A nice daily. Okay, so I guess we get to start it without, don't need to press the clutch in or nothing. Oh, okay. VIP starting. So I guess the up rev has what? Oh shit. Has this rev symbol that's different, right? What else? Is that what's different about the up rev model?
Yeah, the rev up model just gets the rev light. You get you can set it. It's set at 4200.
Oh, so when you rev it, what happens? The rev light blinks, basically?
Yeah.
That's it, it just blinks.
So it blinks before it gets to what you have it set to, and then it stays solid when you get to the number that you set.
And it revs up to almost 7,000.
It'll represent 69.
That was quick. I feel like it did not rev that quick before.
I did a throttle body reset on it, and
I feel like before it took forever for it to like. Nice, not bad.
2006 G35 Sedan 6MT Rev Up Edition. It comes with the CD09 6-speed. It's lowered on Godspeed lowering springs.
Okay, so not coilovers.
Okay, I downsized the tires. 225/40/18 in the rear and 215/35/18 in the front.
From what? From 245?
245/45/18.
Oh my god, so from a 45 sidewall to a 35 sidewall and smaller width.
Yeah. Has a cold air intake, VQ35DE.
So it only has one intake, not two like the HR?
Not like the
But it still revs up to like 7,000 or whatever?
Yeah, 69 or whatever.
Okay.
The rear seats are reclining.
Okay, so it has reclining.
They're not automatic,
rear
but they're
seats.
manual. You just have a flap in there.
Okay. Obviously it's got the rev button or the rev.
Yeah, the rev light. The dashboard is connected with the steering wheel, goes up and down.
What's it got, like 250k on it? Still running strong. Nice, that's not bad. Everything works. Power windows, got power sunroof.
Basically bought it to drift it.
So obviously it drifts. It doesn't do one tire fire. So both tires spin.
100%.
What else? No other mods that you can think of? It doesn't have BBK. It doesn't have the Brembos.
Oh, it has test pipe, a 3-inch Y pipe, and then going to stock piping, stock resonator, stock muffler. It has spacers on the O2 sensor, so I don't get an engine light. I rarely ever get an engine light. I think I only got it once or twice.
So that was the exhaust setup. Test pipes to basically stock exhaust.
Test pipes to a 3-inch wide pipe to stock exhaust.
Okay.
I have the Nismo wheels in the front. I have the stock wheels in the rear for drifting. Move the seat. Settings are all on the seat.
It's just a
VIP card holder so that you can let your credit card fly out on the highway when you're doing like 120. There's a Chinese aftermarket fucking deck. It's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty good because it has the built-in GPS and it tells me the speed. So
this is the Lanzar SNDVN88.
So anyways, because a downsizing of my tires, my speedo is
that messes the speedo off. Okay.
So this actually tells me how fast I'm going through GPS.
I understand. It gives you a more accurate reading.
So
it's okay. We don't speed anyway.
Yeah, the compass up there.
What compass? Oh, when you turn it on, it's a compass.
You got a compass up there.
So it's got like GPS or some shit on it.
No, so there's models that come with the GPS in
Jeez.
here. So I don't have that model.
Street vision, don't you forget.
It's 10 degrees outside.
Okay, so it's got a little info
Info
deck or whatever. Nice. Yeah, it's not bad.